Everybody, this is Preston from the Slimy Gamers, and I'm back with the threesome of us. And Trevor is muted at the time because his dogs are barking because his parents just got home, so he will soon unmute and we will hear his voice.
Sadly.
Ha, ha, ha. Trevor, if you can hear me, start building. Oh, you are a good man. Because I'm going to go bot people's eggs. Trevor's in there.
No, you get eggs for Trevor.
No, I'm good. Whatever you said. Hurry, Trevor, come on. They're almost there. Yes, come on. Yes. Go, 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 go. Come on, Trevor. Build faster. Thank you, bud. Oh, it'd be a shame if someone were to destroy this guy's egg while no one was looking. So, you know, yeah, that obsidian you just bought? Coming in pretty handy there, huh? Go, Trevor, bop their egg. Bop it, bop it, bop it, bop it. Bye.
Well, somebody's coming over.
No, they're not. You doof. No one's coming over, Brandon.
It looked like somebody was.
Trevor, did you end up getting their egg or no? You probably didn't, huh? Oh, no, you didn't. Oh, wow, I just fell off. Well, we got one egg right off the bat. And I'm going to get another pickaxe just in case they put obsidian on that. Trevor, just go buy some time. Wow, it's weird not having you talk to me. I feel like you don't hear me as much, even though you hear every single word I say. Oh my gosh. Trevor, don't worry. I'm coming with a diamond pick. That thing can break through sandstone like a piece of cake. Or if you can mine it with your fist, that would be amazing. Actually, no, yeah, just set up a distraction. Because one bop with this and pew. And let's end this guy's life. Trevor, knock anyone that comes on that bridge. Oh, you're a good man. Yeah, you know that thing that you were trying to protect? You done fudged up. Alright, Trevor, good job, bro. We still have one light blue to go, but I don't know where he is. Oh, found him. Yeah, just scare him, Trevor. Oh my gosh, he might be the stupidest person in the world. Yeah, come on, Trevor. No! Come at me. I dare you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I got him. Oh, no. Okay, he flies. Trevor, he flies. Things are happening. He flies. Trevor! Trevor, help. He flies. That's lame.
Yeah, he hacks.
Yeah.
Because, like, you know that little space that was in front of the bridge? He clearly fell off that, and then he, like, came back. Oh, and he is blatantly flying.
I wonder how fast do they get banned?
It depends if you report it or not.
What if I do report it? Whoa. Do you not have a weapon? Oh, there's a weapon.
We have to beat him to death. Here, get back to the bridge. I want to get more footage of him flying.
Okay. Come here. Come here. Hey, come on. I am recording.
No, because then he won't fly hack anymore.
Exactly.
Yeah, so that way we can kill him.
Oh, crap.
No, Loke. Your spelling is a Loke. Hey, Preston, he just killed me and just killed you.
I know. Get ready, Brennan. We're about to get dirty. Well, we got hopefully some good footage that we can use against him and hopefully get him banned. So if we will post a video if we end up doing that. But for now, let's get back on doing Minecraft and hopefully that guy doesn't become too much of a distraction.
Well, no, it shouldn't be too bad if we can just, like, kill him outright. It just means we can't kill him like we would like to, which is just not being
Whoa.
We can't do that.
Yeah, look, watch. He's hitting me from, like, clear out here. Yeah, I'm getting some good footage on you, dude. Just so you know.
Huh? Yeah, you came back early. Yeah, Preston, you did come back early.
Okay.
Not that I'm complaining. Here, Brendan. Present.
Should this one go up, or should this be for recording purposes only?
It depends if we win.
Guys, we just need to get some pretty good armor and kill him.
I would if Trevor would get some diamonds.
So does he just act like it's creative and just double tap the spacebar?
I don't know, but I assume so. He's not like one of the ones where like you knock him off and they instantly teleport back up. Because I saw him clearly fall off, and then like I looked away for a second. Because my dad.
And he has Autobot. He wasn't even looking, and all of a sudden I get
watch out!
attacked.
Orange is here. Orange is here.
Okay, I'm coming. I just had to die first.
Brendan, you defend. Sorry, I had diamonds.
Pew, 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 pew. Punch him with my
Hold on, I'm
fist,
gonna hide
shredding
some
his
diamonds.
armor. Trevor, he's coming towards you.
My diamond generator.
Oh, and he doesn't have his egg, and his armor's shattering.
I like how the dude was trying to be like, oh yeah, I'm not hacking. Or like, you know how most hackers, like, they try to be as discreet as possible, right?
Yeah.
I literally saw him on his island. He was just like flying around on his island, like blatantly.
Trevor, I don't think we're gonna win.
I think we will.
He already has iron gear.
And
We don't
Preston,
even
if it's anything we've learned from experience, a whole team of leather can take on an iron guy pretty easily.
Yeah, but not a guy who takes crits every time he hits you.
Yeah, stole the kill. Dang, nabbit, I didn't.
Preston, we just have to try. Preston, this is why I don't like you sometimes. Is because when something remotely challenging goes in your way and you don't think you can do it, you just say, nope, I can't do it.
We can't. That guy has hacks
Yes,
up
we
his
can.
sleeve.
Preston, hacking is not the end-all, be-all. It's
What?
really not. Plus, as far as we've seen so far, he doesn't have the best combat hacks. He just has fly hacks.
Who are you
It's not like
watching?
he's doing 300% of the damage he should be.
He was doing crits damage.
He just flies around. Like, it's not that big of a deal. Plus, we broke his egg, so we only have to kill him once. Are
Yeah.
you talking right now? Because I can't hear you.
I'm talking. Yeah, I am. Can you hear me when I talk? Nope.
Okay, you guys are back. It
Alright.
cuts out every now
Guys,
and
light blue's here, and all iron. Holy freak.
That's him. He's
Yep.
the hacker.
Ow. Ow. Guys, bad things are happening. I am hurting severely.
Defend, I'm coming back. Preston, work on getting yourself gear.
I already have iron. There we go.
Work on getting yourself a weapon.
Okay.
No, do
Yes.
not bully.
Here,
He's
Preston,
retreating.
Hey, Preston, come here. Wait, hold on. Actually, I'm going to save these. I have 20, but he just left, so I'm going to save up just
I'm glad he left. Whew. That would have
We
been
can
close.
take him, Preston. If you have similar, if me and Brendan are there to help you.
And yellow's going for him too. Oh, nope, yellow's going for purple, who's going for another guy. Gotcha. If I can get a diamond axe, that's a game changer.
Well, I just upgraded it to level 3, so and I'm
Okay.
going back to spawn for more diamonds. But my dinner is here, so I may have to pause every now and then and
No!
Brendan, we are right here.
I don't care.
Well, we do.
oh, hello, yellow. I'm just gonna think. I'm running circles around this guy. Oh, he's coming. Okay, no longer fun.
Okay, Trevor, just get ready. He's probably gonna turn that fly hack on. I don't know though. You know, does what he wanna does. It's just not fun.
Preston, I'm bringing you back a whole 2 diamonds.
Wow, that's so much.
You already got it, didn't you?
Yep.
Here, let me get iron armor.
Okay.
And that way I can plus eat too. Because my dad was super nice and brought me back food.
Are you gonna come and get us this time, huh? I am recording your every move, sucker. Hope you hate the server.
Good spelling, Preston.
I know, right? How come some people... Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, how come some people type like gray, but then when we type, it turns out yellow?
It's teammates.
Oh. Boop, 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 boop. 55 arrows and a bow.
Yes!
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 Finally! Ha! Take that, sucker. Oh, whatever. It was not. It was like opposite of black. Yes. Yes. What you doing? Hey, son, what you doing?
Like,
Yeah.
dude, it wasn't even that, it wouldn't be a big deal, like, if you just fall off the bridge a couple times, but I saw him flying around his island.
And I saw him fly around his island.
Plus, I like how his friend was like, no, he's not wearing a Discord call. What if you guys are in a Discord call and you're just covering for him because you're his friend?
Alright, I have blocks galore. How about we go take out gray yellow?
Hold on, give me a couple more seconds. Because I have enough now for, gear.
Are you already over there? Holy fuss.
Yep, come on. I'm distracting him.
I don't have a pick.
I do.
Oh, crap. So do they. Okay, I'm over. I'm killing the guy with the good armor. I'm back, Johnny.
I guess I'll defend.
That'd be a good option. Because if I can get this guy with the pick, game's over. Ahoo! You're trying to be cheeky. Ow! That is a really good punch bow.
Got it.
Wow. That was good stuff. You are
Well,
the stupidest person in the world.
Also, for any of you guys listening out there who are watching this video and hack, I have a message for you. If you have to hack to win, you are not good at the game.
Oh, come on. Yes, Brennan, can I get this kill, please? Thanks, pal.
Yeah, just a little
Or
message
not.
to our hacker friends who think that they're so boss for hacking. It's not that hard to do, and it just gives you an unfair advantage.
Can you just
And
quit?
it's-
It would make my life a lot... Oh, thank you for dropping 2 diamonds. I bet I could buy a prom date with that.
Yeah, 'cause you're solo.
No one would go on a prom date with you for only 2 diamonds.
Ding. Oh. Ding. Dang it! I missed all of those shots. That's embarrassing. Trevor, I think we might have just won this game.
We did. And
Hacker beat hacker, but they always lose. All units move into
got
westbound.
him. Wait, what?
What?
Dang it!
Where's the other one? Oh,
Compass
guys,
time,
we got
compass
ourselves a
time.
little journey.
Compass
oh,
time,
freak, he has,
compass
like,
time.
super
Time
good
to buy a
diamond.
compass.
No, I got him.
Is it
How
a
you
bow?
doing,
Really?
pal? Oh, freak,
Where
he has
is
a
he?
bow. Oh, that was close. How about you
What?
make a staircase, Brendan? So
Did you
us
say that
with-
was gross?
No, he has a bow. That was close.
Did Brendan just like jump
Got
off his
him.
island?
Yep, and we win. Woo!
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 That That's
So
going
guys, that was a
right
pretty
to
good video. We
Q-Craft.
showed off the hacker. Hopefully, Preston got some footage of them.
I'll rewatch it and see, but that one's for sure going up as hacker. Woohoo! Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this game. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and remember to like and subscribe. And tell your friends.
Start spreading the word, and hopefully our little YouTube channel can grow into something amazing. We like all the support, guys. Leave a comment about any other servers or mini games or ideas you have for us to do videos on. Any ideas for videos are greatly appreciated, and we will respond to your comments with love. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.